Did you know it's actually super easy to make your own coconut oil from scratch? This is a common method used in Bali, and I had an instructor show me step by step how to make some. First, we started off by cutting and peeling off the skin and saving that skin later for the fire burning. And then busting the coconut open and, of course, emptying out the coconut water. We removed the meat from the harder exterior and then used the grater to do its thing. This part does require a lot of labor, but I was having the time of my life, as you can tell. Then we mixed regular water with coconut water and then added the shavings into it. Then we separated the pulp from the liquid, and this right here is how you make coconut milk without a blender. The milk was poured into a pot with some fresh turmeric for some color, and then it was placed over some heat. After about 10 minutes, you could start to see the oil was forming, and that's when we had to separate the milk from the actual oil parts and then put it back over heat, and then just continue to cook it until it was complete. Finally, it got stored in this glass jar for me to take home for any cooking, skin, or oral care. This was a 10 out of 10 experience and a blessing to be able to learn how to create this. I even got a tour of their garden, so make sure you guys support them next time you're in Bali or even try this method at home.